How to find user ID on MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily find your user ID on MEXC. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the MEXC app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged into the account, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can easily tap on the UID button at the top of the screen and you have successfully copied your user ID. Now you can paste it whenever needed. Your user ID is different from your email or phone number. It is numerical identifier. You can use it to link account or verify identity when contacting MEXC support. So there you know how to locate your MEXC user ID. Keep it handy for account management, support, or referral purposes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.